Breast cancer is a common form of cancer that affects many women worldwide. Although there is no way to prevent breast cancer, there are several things that women can do to help reduce their risk of developing this disease. Here are some breast cancer prevention tips. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase the risk of breast cancer, especially in postmenopausal women. Therefore, maintaining a healthy weight is important. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help lower the risk of breast cancer. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. 3. Get screened. Regular screening, such as mammograms and breast exams, can help detect breast cancer early, when it is most treatable. Talk to your doctor about when to begin screening and how often to get screened. 4. Know your family history. Some women may be at higher risk of developing breast cancer due to their family history. If you have a family history of breast cancer, talk to your doctor about your risk and what you can do to reduce it. 5. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help reduce the risk of breast cancer. Remember, breast cancer prevention starts with healthy habits. By making small changes to your lifestyle, you can help reduce your risk of developing breast cancer. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.